Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to reach a massive audience with your advertising, Tubi might be the perfect platform for you. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to advertise on Tubi, the popular ad-supported streaming service. Before you start advertising, it's crucial to understand who you'll be reaching on Tubi. Tubi has a diverse audience with millions of viewers streaming thousands of movies and TV shows for free. They can cover various demographics, making it a fantastic platform for targeting different markets. First things first, you'll need to create an account with Tubi. Head over to your preferred website and go to tubitv.com. Now log into your account. Once your account is set up, go to the bottom of the Tubi homepage and find the Advertise with Us link. This will take you to the Tubi's advertising information. Tubi offers several types of ads, including pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll ads, as well as display ads. Pre-roll ads play before the content starts, mid-roll ad plays during the content, and post-roll ads play after the content ends. Choose the type that best suits your campaign goals. Now here you'll need to enter a form. Now, here you'll need to enter all the details, including the website, your address, your name, your job title, and your company's and the advertising market. Submit the form. Then you'll need to set your budget and targeting preferences. Tubi allows you to target based on demographics, locations, interests, and even specific genres of content. This ensures your ads reach the right audience. Once everything is set, review your campaign details and hit launch. Your ad will go through a review process to ensure it meets Tubi's standard. And that's it. You've just learned to how to advertise on Tubi. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy advertising on Tubi.